This is the hatchback version of my car. It's actually got a taller windscreen. It's for the taller driver. See that? Same car though. I've just Lanark's on today at the garden centre, Dobbies. So there could be another car show there, and it's supposed to be dry weather. Maybe see some of you down there. Thinking about going myself. I normally don't go to that show, but I found a way in through Hamilton, which is a flatter road, and less work for me. I'm still waiting on my injection, so every kind of hour I need to be careful and just use it to the max, because I'm going to be in my bed for a week while I'm waiting for this injection. So if the sun breaks out, I'm thinking about going in the MGB, so I'll maybe see you there. This John Wicks is a respray. I know this car. '69-70 Mustang. Better view at the back window. Just get standard wipers as well. Good. There's a new HP Viva coming in there, like it. One of my neighbours at the estate. They're a cool thing, I really like the Coke bottle shape. These cars are cool. It's an era of niceness. There's a loophole. Only bought one of them, but they were just too underpowered, the ones I was looking at. End up with Cinquecento. Overpriced Escort. Back to the cars here. Remember, like and subscribe, Mr. H Classic Cars. I'm going in now for my breakfast. Cam didn't want to come. Oh look, there's a feather.